Our life flows like water in a tunnel. A life between concrete, steel and smog. Just find a way back to live in nature. Do it to find back to yourself. The trees in the wilderness are totally other than trees in parks. The water is clear, the air is fresh and full of original sounds. Just open your ears and your eyes, so you will be able to free your senses to find the secrets of life. Try to feel yourself as a part of it. You can do it because you are a part of nature. So, enjoy the silence. Imagine you are hosted in nature. We all are parts of this living planet and organism. Respect all living beings. Enjoy their presence, so we are not alone. So, you can understand the value of any life. Following, you will enjoy the plenty of life. And, you will understand why. If you understand, your heart and mind will change. Man's life is just a second in the geological time frame of our planet. Whatever will happen, it will just be a second in eternity. And all what we will build, all what we do, will be forgotten, sooner or later.